Hi everyone, I'm back with part 2 of the 14-pound box of jewelry from shopgoodwill.com. This one's a necklace, and its collar, I think these are plastic beads. It has a gold tone pendant. And a stretchy bracelet. I think this one needs restringing. This one's a necklace. These are plastic beads. And I see a tag on this. There's no names on the tag. This one's a box. It says Pandora on it. Let's see what's inside. Bunch of beads. But I don't see the Pandora mark on them. Yeah, I don't think these are actually Pandora beads, but I believe they are glass. Some of them with flowers. And then these are plastic beads. And a necklace. Some flowers. No tags on that. Another necklace. This one's really long. Oh, there is a tag on that. It says Leah Sophia. This one has some charms. There's a key and a lock. And a tassel, a little puffy heart. This one's a necklace with some pearls. They're a little bit loose. And string sticking out right here. There's a tiny little mark right here. That one says 14K. Gold clasp. Okay, here's some earrings. And a necklace with, I think some are glass, some are plastic. It's really long. And I do see a tag on that. It says Chico's. There's a lot of these plastic bags in this box too, so let's see what's in this one. Okay. Some faux pearl necklace. Looks like the clasp broke off of this. And this one's silver tone with some beads. Shell bracelet. We saw a few of these in the last video. I think they're bracelets. And there's different colors. some bangle bracelets. And this one says zipper bracelet. Another bag. So this one looks like it has a bunch of earrings. Let's see, so here's a pair. And don't see any marks on that. Okay, this one's another pair. So no marks on those. These ones are silver tone. And I think I do see a stamp right here. So yeah, that tiny little mark, it says 925, and then right after it says LA. It looks like it's turning yellow here, so I don't know if that just needs cleaning. Okay, another pair here. These are like cat eye. And I think these are plastic. And another bag of earrings. Oh, there's a necklace in here. And there's a pendant here with some rings. I think these ones are plastic. But the chain's really nice. It has a 925 Italy stamp right up here. And also 925 right there on the clasp. Also see a stamp right here. Okay, and then here are the earrings. See, these ones are glass. These ones are stone. Might be stone, maybe glass. And some little dangly rhinestones. Then dangly gold tone. Oh, and then these kind of match. Yeah, these kind of match that necklace. Okay, this one has like key rings. Key rings, a stick pin that says 84. Another key ring that says fossil. Silver key ring. A stretchy bracelet. And some plastic coins. And this one says Lee. Little rhinestone right here. Okay, this one just looks like a broken necklace. See all the pieces in it. Another necklace. Oh, this one also has earrings. And these are plastic beads. So this is a matching set. This earrings, necklace, and then a bracelet. Okay, some earrings. And this one looks like a necklace. There's a lot of wear on that. And then a pair of earrings. There's no marks on these. This looks like more earrings. These are like plastic. Gold tone has a little bit of wear on that. And I think these are earrings, a little bit bent. Okay, so this one's a bracelet with magnetic clasp. And a key ring. This one's a rosary. And some plastic beads. This one's a bracelet, it's a wrap bracelet with some glass beads. It's really cute, the flowers. Another necklace, I think these are glass beads. This just looks like a bunch of bangles. And I think these are magnets. Yeah, these are magnets. It's like ballet. Yeah, ballet dancers. And this one's a flag. Here's a necklace. Dragonfly pendant, silver tone. And these are faux pearls. Doesn't have a clasp. And some plastic beads. Here's a bracelet. It says Guess Los Angeles. And, okay, so this one's a magnetic clasp. I don't know, is this a shell? I'm not sure what type of material this is. And there's another necklace stuck to it. This one's a leopard skin jasper. Has another necklace stuck to it. Looks like a little locket. Then silver tone necklace with some blue rhinestones. And this one has a tag that says PH. There's a lot of wear on that. Okay, looks like more earrings. So here's a pair. And oh, actually, no, that wasn't a pair. It's these two. And then this one So then here's a pair. These are dangly earrings. There's a lot of wear on that. Okay, so this one has some necklaces. Let's see, this one's gold tone. There's kind of a mark back here. I don't know what that says, WW. So then this one's, I think it's gold tone, but has a lot of wear. You can see it's turning silver with some beads. This one's gold tone and has a couple layers, but there's one that's broken off here. You can see the end of that. Okay, some more, there's more earrings here. These are pretty, it's rhinestones. Then pink ribbon. This one's a bead. It's missing a rhinestone here. It's a ring. It's really cute with the flowers. So there is a stamp inside that says Thailand 925. Then on this side, you can see a little mark. I think that's for Silpada. It's really nice. Okay, so then here's a pair of earrings, rhinestones, and another bead, and a bracelet. It's like a flower inside. Plastic beads. Okay, another necklace. So this one has 2 layers. I believe these are glass, like really light pink. Glass beads, also some rhinestones. And there is a tag on this. So that one's for Vera Wang. So I'm going to go ahead and take a break here. We'll continue on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.